My Maytag washer got stuck on 6 minutes on the gentle cycle and just kept repeating that rinse. How can I fix it? I eventually just stopped the machine and took the laundry out and dried the clothes on a towel. We love our machine, it is 16 years old.
Can you guesstimate how old your Maytag is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
Model MA 5500 BWW.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
If possible, my husband will try to do so.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
We are in Bozeman, Montana. Are there Maytag service people here? Are there?
Hello. My name is. I'll be helping you with your appliance question today. Please wait a few moments while I review your question.
Thank you, Tyler.
The unit continues to keep resetting back to 6 minutes because the washer doesn't think it can balance the tub to go into spin. Remove the clothes and see if it'll spin without clothes inside, indicating your load is just too out of balance to spin out. Other than that, if it all checks good, you'll want to replace the ball bearing out of balance switch mounted to the top of the tub. This switch gets weak over time because a ball bearing hits it repeatedly and it'll start triggering the switch too easily. Below is a link to the part as well as a video that shows you how to replace it. Click here for out of balance switch. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.